Hello friends. How nice it is to harvest organic green moong dal in your garden. You can harvest high yield from 100 to 300 seeds from each moong seed. It has short life cycle of 55 to 60 days from seed to dried parts. As you know, these are low maintenance plants, need only regular watering. Also nitrogen fixing plants that improve soil naturally. The best part is plants regrow parts in multiple patches, yielding many more seeds. It's absolutely amazing to enjoy sprouts, microgreens, leaves, green pods, and seeds at various stages during harvest. As you know, green moong seeds are high protein, fiber rich, and diabetic friendly grains. Sprouts and microgreens will have even more nutrients and antioxidants. You can make many varieties like green moong dosa, chilla, vada, dal fry, sprouts, salads, curry, etc. Let's get started with foolproof way for maximum harvest. So here is my trick. Instead of sowing seeds directly in soil, I'm going to sprout the seeds first, which guarantees almost 100% germination with healthy seedlings. First take quarter cup of whole green moong dal. Don't use split dal as these won't germinate. Soak the seeds in water for 8 to 10 hours. As you see, seeds have soaked well and ready to sprout. Then drain the seeds. I'm going to use sprouts maker for sprouting, or you can use cloth also. Transfer the seeds to sprouts maker. Then cover with a lid. Keep it in a warm place to sprout faster. Seeds sprout nicely in 1 to 2 days. Now seeds are ready for planting. If sprouts are tiny, still you can plant them. Next, loosen the soil and place the seeds. No need to worry about even spacing. You can just drop the seeds. Cover with the soil on top. Then water the soil. Since seeds are already sprouted, seedlings will appear in just 3 to 5 days only. After 7 to 10 days, plants develop their first 2 leaves. This is the microgreen stage with high antioxidants, enzyme dense, and more detoxifying benefits. You can add these microgreens to salads, dal, and soups. Once plants grow 3 to 5 leaves, you can cook these tender leaves in dishes like spinach. Around 30 days, small yellow flowers start to appear. This means pods will be developing soon. So after flowering, pods start forming in 7 to 10 days. Pods tend to grow green and long quickly. Here is the key thing. So when to harvest moong seeds? If you notice, pods will remain green initially. These are called as moong beans. Will be soft and seeds inside will be tender. You can use these in moong curries, stir fries, etc. like beans. For dried moong seeds, leave pods on plants. Let these dry and turn dark brown or black color. As you see, it's very easy to grow green moong dal. Needs low maintenance, no added chemicals, and totally organic. All you need is moong seeds, soil, and water. You can harvest plenty of dried parts from each plant. Enjoy your homegrown organic green moong seeds. Once dried, you can pluck parts with hands or use scissors. Take out the dried seeds from parts and discard the shells. You can use these seeds in your kitchen for various dishes and to eat as sprouts. Don't forget to save some for replanting again. Notice how many seeds are harvested in the first batch. After the first harvest, plants do start flowering again and regrow parts multiple times. Hope you find it useful and enjoy harvesting green moong in your garden. Stay tuned for many more useful hacks and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.